If you have early symptoms, subtle symptoms like headaches that don't seem to go away or blurring of vision, you can always visit your favorite GP, get his advice. But if you're concerned or the symptoms persist, they don't seem to go away, or if the symptoms worsen, you start developing numbness and weakness, then I think the right specialist to see would be a neurosurgeon or a neurologist to assess your situation, to do basic neurological examination to identify whether is there anything to be concerned about in the first place. Typically, a neurologist or a neurosurgeon would then get an MRI brain for you, a very special MRI brain, to look into the possibility of whether there is a tumor or there is something that we need to worry about. An MRI is a gold standard treatment to pick up any small or large tumors anywhere in the brain. Essentially, if a tumor is present, an MRI will not miss it. Even a tumor as small as 1 centimeter will be seen in an MRI. And that is how diagnosis is made. So from an MRI, a neurosurgeon would be able to have an idea whether the tumor that we're dealing with favors a more benign tumor or a more malignant tumor in nature. Now, for benign tumors, if the tumor is less than 1 centimeter, small tumors, then one of the options of treatment would be to just observe over time, repeat MRIs at a 6-monthly or a yearly interval, and to see whether the tumor grows. If the tumor grows, then further treatment is needed. Otherwise, if the tumor remains small, 1 centimeter or less, then the best option for such tumors is just to observe it over time and only intervene or act on it if there's evidence that it's growing. Now, if the tumor on the MRI favors more of a malignant tumor in terms of its appearance, then the next step would be to proceed with a biopsy to obtain a tumor sample so that it'll be easier to plan future treatment based on the actual cell type of the tumor that is found on the MRI.